Welcome to our active Russian grammar course. My name is Stanislav Chernyshov, and together with my wife, Alla, we wrote some very popular Russian language textbooks, Поехали. But this one is more than just a book. It's a full-scale, active, online Russian grammar course. There are a few reasons it's called active. The first one is that it contains up-to-date real Russian sentences that you can take from the book and actively used to communicate to Russians. Another reason is that it's an online course that has lots of exercises, and these exercises will be automatically checked, so you can right away see how you've mastered the topic. And also, it's called active because it has many thought-provoking, interesting, inspiring Russian sentences that you can use for discussions in class. We have worked on this project for over 10 years, and for your convenience, we divided the Russian grammar into very small elementary topics. And for each topic, there is a page with explanations, sample sentences, and some cartoons, and then a page of exercises. And you can master the complicated Russian grammar step by step with these small pieces easy to digest. This book is not for kids, it's for adults and teenagers who have lost this natural ability and do need grammar, especially for a language like Russian, because in Russian, if you don't need grammar, you don't need words either. They're useless. And I have a special video for you where I explain why. And by the way, speaking about videos, it also has short explanation videos for each chapter, like for example for each Russian grammar case. And also audio tracks, which I recorded myself, so you can do an exercise and then listen to all these sentences and check yourself, and also listen to the pronunciation, because you know, if you are learning Russian, not in the Russian-speaking environment especially, this listening comprehension practice is also essential. And there will be other interesting resources, like for example, situations that you can discuss in class with other students if you do the Russian course. So this is your fundamental Russian grammar reference source and practice tool. No matter if you're just starting to learn Russian, or you've learned some Russian before, but you don't feel quite confident in using all the grammar forms, cases and verbs and everything. And it's not just grammar drills. Apart from learning and practicing the forms, it also gives you the functions and gives you the feeling of the system and how we Russians view the world through it. So start your journey, stay active, and you will see that with this course, mastering Russian grammar is possible and can be fun. And see you at the next level.